For decades, millions have grappled with the debilitating effects of diabetes and kidney disease. These chronic conditions have cast a long shadow, impacting lives and straining healthcare systems globally. But what if there was a solution, a beacon of hope emerging from the world of scientific discovery? This is not a tale of science fiction, but a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of a healthier future. Recent groundbreaking research has unveiled a potential game-changer, a miracle vitamin, let's call it vitamin X, with the astonishing ability to not only halt the progression of diabetes, but also restore kidney health in a mere 60 days. This discovery has sent ripples of excitement through the medical community, igniting hope for a future where these chronic conditions no longer dictate the lives of countless individuals. Imagine a world where the fear of diabetes complications fades, replaced by a newfound sense of freedom and vitality. Picture individuals once tethered to dialysis machines reclaiming their lives, their kidneys rejuvenated. This is the promise that vitamin X holds, a promise backed by compelling scientific evidence and inspiring real-life stories. Join us as we delve into the remarkable world of vitamin X, exploring its potential to rewrite the narrative surrounding diabetes and kidney disease, offering a beacon of hope for a healthier and brighter future. Before we delve into the transformative potential of vitamin X, it's crucial to understand the common enemy we face: insulin resistance. This condition is a major underlying factor in the development of both diabetes and kidney disease, affecting millions of people worldwide. Often lurking silently within our bodies, insulin resistance disrupts the delicate balance of our metabolism, making it difficult for our cells to respond effectively to insulin. This disruption sets the stage for a cascade of health issues, including diabetes and kidney disease. When our cells become resistant to insulin, the pancreas compensates by producing more insulin, but this is not a sustainable solution. Imagine insulin as a key, unlocking the doors of our cells to allow glucose, our body's primary energy source, to enter and fuel our every function. This process is essential for maintaining our energy levels and overall health. Insulin resistance is like a rusty lock, hindering the key from turning smoothly. This means that glucose cannot enter the cells as efficiently as it should. As a result, glucose struggles to enter the cells, leading to a buildup in the bloodstream, a condition we know as high blood sugar or hyperglycemia. This excess glucose in the blood can cause significant damage over time. Over time, this relentless assault on our cells by excess glucose takes its toll. The pancreas, which is responsible for producing insulin, becomes overworked and stressed. The pancreas, working tirelessly to produce more insulin, eventually falters. This leads to a decrease in insulin production, exacerbating the problem of high blood sugar. The kidneys, which filter our blood, become overwhelmed by the constant strain of filtering excess glucose. This can lead to kidney damage and eventually kidney disease. Thus, the vicious cycle of diabetes and kidney disease perpetuates. As insulin resistance worsens, so do the complications associated with these conditions. Vitamin X, however, offers a powerful weapon in this battle. This remarkable nutrient has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels. It acts as a potent insulin sensitizer, effectively oiling the rusty locks of our cells, restoring insulin's ability to efficiently usher glucose into our cells. This can help reduce the burden on the pancreas and improve overall metabolic health. By addressing the root cause of insulin resistance, vitamin X paves the way for a healthier and more balanced internal environment. Incorporating this nutrient into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can have profound effects on our health. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the remarkable properties of vitamin X. We'll explore how it works at a molecular level to improve insulin sensitivity and support overall health. We'll also look at the scientific research behind vitamin X and its potential to combat both diabetes and kidney disease. This nutrient offers a glimmer of hope for those struggling with these conditions. By understanding the root cause of these diseases and the role of vitamin X, we can take proactive steps towards better health. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions and offers hope for millions worldwide. Discovered amidst a quest to understand and combat the root causes of metabolic disorders, vitamin X has quickly become a focal point of scientific research and public interest. This powerful antioxidant, found naturally in sources such as acai berries and goji berries, has emerged as a beacon of hope for many. Its discovery has opened new avenues in the treatment and management of chronic conditions that have long plagued humanity. Vitamin X possesses a unique molecular structure that allows it to interact with our cells in a way that enhances insulin sensitivity. This interaction is crucial because it addresses the root cause of diabetes and kidney disease, conditions that affect millions worldwide. By improving how our cells respond to insulin, vitamin X helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels and supports overall metabolic health. But the benefits of vitamin X extend far beyond its insulin-sensitizing effects. This remarkable nutrient is also known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which play a significant role in overall health and well-being. Chronic inflammation is a common issue that often accompanies and exacerbates conditions like diabetes and kidney disease. Vitamin X effectively combats this inflammation, helping to reduce the risk of further complications and promoting a healthier internal environment. By reducing inflammation, vitamin X helps protect the delicate filtering units of the kidneys, known as nephrons, from further damage. This preservation of kidney function is crucial in preventing the decline that often leads to more severe health issues. Furthermore, vitamin X acts as a powerful scavenger of harmful free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage our cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin X helps protect our cells and supports long-term health. This antioxidant activity is particularly beneficial for the kidneys and pancreas, organs that are vital for maintaining metabolic balance. By protecting these organs from oxidative stress, vitamin X promotes their optimal function and longevity, ensuring they can continue to perform their essential roles in the body. Imagine vitamin X as a multifaceted shield, protecting your body from the inside out. It tackles the root cause of insulin resistance, combats inflammation, and neutralizes harmful free radicals, creating an environment where your body can heal and thrive. Incorporating vitamin X into your daily routine can be a game changer. Whether through diet or supplements, ensuring you get enough of this nutrient can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. It supports your body's natural defenses and promotes overall well-being. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore the scientific evidence supporting these claims, examine real-life stories of individuals who have experienced the transformative power of vitamin X, and address any skepticism surrounding this groundbreaking discovery. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science and personal experiences that highlight the incredible potential of vitamin X. Vitamin X's remarkable ability to combat both diabetes and kidney disease stems from its unique two-pronged approach. This approach not only addresses the immediate symptoms, but also targets the underlying causes, providing a comprehensive solution for those suffering from these chronic conditions. It not only addresses the root cause of these conditions, insulin resistance, but also tackles the downstream consequences, including inflammation and oxidative stress. Insulin resistance is a major factor in the development of type 2 diabetes, and by improving insulin sensitivity, vitamin X helps to mitigate this issue at its source. Firstly, vitamin X acts as a potent insulin sensitizer, effectively improving the ability of insulin to unlock the doors of our cells and allow glucose to enter. This process is crucial because it ensures that glucose is properly utilized by the body, rather than accumulating in the bloodstream and causing high blood sugar levels. This action directly lowers blood sugar levels, offering significant relief for individuals struggling with diabetes. Consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to a host of complications, including nerve damage, vision problems, and cardiovascular issues. By keeping blood sugar levels in check, vitamin X helps to prevent these complications and improve overall health. By improving insulin sensitivity, vitamin X also reduces the workload on the pancreas, allowing it to function more efficiently and potentially even regenerate. The pancreas plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels by producing insulin, and reducing its workload can help to preserve its function over the long term. Secondly, vitamin X's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties work synergistically to protect the kidneys from further damage. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are major contributors to kidney disease, and by addressing these issues, vitamin X helps to preserve kidney function and prevent further decline. By reducing inflammation in the body, vitamin X helps preserve the delicate filtering units of the kidneys, preventing further decline in kidney function. Inflammation can cause damage to the kidneys' filtering units, leading to a decrease in their ability to filter waste from the blood. By reducing inflammation, vitamin X helps to maintain the kidneys' filtering capacity. Simultaneously, Its antioxidant activity combats harmful free radicals, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and promoting their long-term health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and tissues, and by neutralizing them, vitamin X helps to protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. This two-pronged approach makes vitamin X a formidable ally in the fight against diabetes and kidney disease. By addressing both the root causes and the downstream consequences of these conditions, vitamin X offers a comprehensive solution that can help to improve overall health and well-being. It doesn't simply mask the symptoms, it tackles the root cause while mitigating the damaging consequences, offering a holistic solution for these interconnected conditions. This holistic approach is crucial because it ensures that all aspects of the conditions are addressed, leading to better outcomes for patients. In the next section, we'll delve into the scientific studies that provide compelling evidence for vitamin X's effectiveness in combating both diabetes and kidney disease, solidifying its position as a potential game-changer in the field of metabolic health. These studies highlight the potential of vitamin X to revolutionize the treatment of these chronic conditions and improve the lives of millions of people worldwide.